Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to work on this 2011 Toyota Camry. You got a loose mirror cap. Already bought the new mirror already. So today we're going to show you guys on how to remove this. So we need to pop out the plastic cover with the prying tool, and then there's like a 3-screw hole in it. Open this up. It's a fastener right here. There's a probably 10 millimeter, and then there's a hook here. You need to unhook the plug. Like that. Yeah. It's a little clip right here, and you push it out. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Let's see, it's broken. Why? So as you can see, this is broken out the glue right here. Tried to glue it last time, but due to the force of the wind, it knocks it off. So I'm just going to put the original one in there with the hook. Is it in? It's in, right? Let's do a loose fit right now. Plug the back the cable in. Gonna test out everything first before you put out the nut bag. Alright, we're gonna test out the mirror and make sure everything works. Then turn out the car and we're gonna test it out. See if the mirror moves. You change it?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh yeah. It's moving.
Okay.
Up and down? Oh, down, up. Okay, yeah, it's good. All right. I'm gonna tie it back up. Then I'm gonna put the cover back. And then that's it. Wait. Oh. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always peace.